Insights leader, it's so fantastic to meet so many wonderful people and to really do that deep dive on AI. I mean, we know we have been experimenting with it. We wanted to be part of it, but now we're really going to scale up, and to hear everybody's perspectives was really interesting.
We need to have more outside-in thinking. I think that it's very easy to sit behind a desk and really think that you know everything, also know how other companies are doing it. So it's really good for networking and broadening your perspective in terms of other industries as well.
The insights industry is changing at lightning speeds. It's impossible to keep up with all of the new technologies and changes by yourself. So we really need to rely on each other as the insights community to help each other keep up with all of the amazing new solutions that are coming up, whether it's AI, synthetic personas, all of the other multitude of solutions that are coming our way.
Events like these are very important, I think, firstly, because you get the chance to be on top of what is happening on the industry, but also the human aspect of it, I think, is very relevant. As professional, you should be also able to connect with people.
You are here with inside people together, and we're all in the same boat. We have the same, maybe not the same experience, but we're all in the same working field. I think it's nice to share and to learn from each other.